Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a very special restaurant here in Sydney, in Newtown specifically. It's called Lentils As Anything. So I was introduced to this restaurant by a friend of mine and I've been here a few times since. They have delicious vegan food, but not only that, the special thing about this restaurant is that it is pay as you feel. It is about a 5-minute walk from Newtown station, which is where I was a minute ago. So we are now heading to Lentils As Anything. And the awesome thing about this video is that we're gonna be able to go behind the scenes, check out the kitchens, try and understand the story so that, we can have a bigger appreciation for the amazing food that they have there. All right, let's go. Lentils As Anything is a popular vegan restaurant in Newtown that wholly relies on the generosity of their diners and their volunteers. When you come here, whether you have a drink, a meal, dessert, or all of the above, you are asked to pay what you feel your experience was worth.
Really, everything that we do at Lentils is to try and create this safe, welcoming space where all members of society can come together. At every opportunity, we're trying to remove these borders that might prevent someone from being able to come and be part of our community. So, our pay-as-you-feel structure is removing economic borders. Our vegan diet is removing religious beliefs or dietary requirements. And there's a plethora of things that we do to ensure that everyone can come and be part of the community.
But that got me curious. How does this system actually work?
We don't have set prices for our food. We do give a suggested contribution of $15, which would cover all of our costs. And we also ask that people can pay it forward. I think the beauty of Lentils is that we give people the opportunity to contribute to our organisation through other means than money.
They also have a wish list that has a list of what they need at any point in time, from providing succulent plants to put on the tables to coffee beans and even plumbing services. I was then taken on a tour of this space with our first stop in the kitchen, where they cook up 4 different lunch and dinner options every day.
We have a kind of rescue food supplier who provide us with about 600 kilos of fresh vegetables every week that the supermarkets don't use. And so that is always a wonderful kind of spanner in the wheel for what we prepare, because you might have 200 kilos of pumpkins one week and heaps of celery and potatoes, and then you're forced to use those and create the menu how dictated by what's available. And so it makes our chefs very adaptable, very creative with what they cook. I think the classic is definitely the curry plate.
And on that note, let me show you what I got for lunch. And there are a range of different dishes available here today. There is the Sri Lankan curry plate, there is the adobo, there is the black bean wrap, and there's also the spaghetti bolognese. So 2 of these items have already sold out, so it was between the Sri Lankan curry plate and also the spaghetti bolognese. And what I got for today is the curry plate. I was told that that is a very popular dish. And I've also got a plum juice as well. It's really nice and refreshing. In addition to the plum juice, you can also choose to have chai tea, which is perfect if you're looking for something hotter and more creamy, to warm you up. Alright, so this is, as I said, the Sri Lankan curry plate. There is a bit of rice, there's a bit of vegetables, and there are 2 types of curry. And I'm just really excited to dig in. Like, having been able to see them prepare the food and then see how the kitchen works, and knowing that the story behind Lentils As Anything. This curry plate has 2 different types of curries, a potato, eggplant, and a carrot dal, and it comes with rice, salad, and papadum. The carrot dal was creamy and nutty and slightly sweet and was perfect with the rice. Honestly, this is just really delicious, wholesome food. We also have an eggplant and potato, and this one is equally amazing. This one was a little bit more tart because it had a tomato base, which I love. See, I love eggplants and tomatoes, so I'm pretty partial to this dish. Both of these dishes are absolutely delicious. They are perfect price, but I'd happily eat it on its own as well. And of course, chase it up with some papadums too, which was nice and crispy. Okay, now that we're done with lunch, which was absolutely delicious, and I completely polished off the plates, we've got a dessert, which is a poppy seed cake with a really nice glaze over it. I personally am not a huge fan of desserts. I always prefer savory food over sweets, but this poppy seed cake was a nice way to end a meal on a sweet note. So if you're in Newtown or if you're in Sydney, come and check this place out, try out their food, and yeah, I think you'll enjoy it. And after that, you can either donate cash in their money box or just tap to donate. In addition to their food offering, they also have something called Open Space, where they host classes, workshops, have music events, art shows, and so much more.
We are donation based, and all the facilitators that come here to teach and to run their events, they are volunteers.
You can also check out what's going on by checking their Instagram page. This video is a little bit different to the ones I typically post. I was initially really intrigued as to how Lentils As Anything worked, hence the video. I hope you liked it anyway. If you're still watching, thanks so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week. Subscribe if you haven't already. Sign up to my newsletter if you're Sydney based, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! So if you watched till the end of most of my videos, you would know that I always have like a random clip at the end. I tried to find a random clip that I could put at the end of this video, but I couldn't find one. So here's a fun fact. This video was actually filmed a long time ago. I think at the beginning of the year, like early Jan, late Feb. I don't know if you can tell